Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a bar chart in Google Sheets. So to start with, open up your Google Sheet and find the information that you want to put into a bar chart. Then all you need to do is highlight that information using your mouse. Then you're going to click on Insert and Chart. And this column on the right hand side will come up, and this is where you can edit what type of chart you want. So I'm going to scroll down, and you've got different options for the bar chart. So you've got a bar chart, a stacked bar chart, and a 100% stacked bar chart. So I'm going to click on one of those. You can edit it afterwards, so don't worry if you don't like it. So from there you can choose different types of stacking for your bars. So you can choose none, so you have like different bars, or you can choose standard or 100%. Then you can also edit your bar chart, like where it is in your Google Sheet. You can drag and drop it, and you can make it smaller or bigger by dragging the corners in and out. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.